In today's video, I want to talk about something called routing inside of Gravity Forms notification. It kind of goes under the radar. It's not a feature that a lot of people just find immediately, but when they need it in a particular use case within their organization, or if they're a freelancer or an agency consulting with a client, this is oftentimes something that saves people loads of time. Let's go ahead and dive into this basic contact form that I have here, and let's just take a look at it really quick. I'm going to click on Edit. Super simple, first name, last name, email. The most important piece here is this drop down that we have, which has 3 departments: sales, press, and support, just something quick that I came up with, file upload, and a comments field. But the magic happens when we go to notifications, and let's edit this first notification. I'm going to call this the sales and press notification. So in this example, when we enable routing, which is right here, configure routing, this allows me to set up a conditional statement that says when these things are equal, we're going to send this email to these departments, right? So I'm going to come in and put in sales@gravityforms.com. I'm going to add in another one that says press@gravityforms.com. And we're going to set that up by saying, why are you contacting us? That's our drop-down field. So the why are you contacting us is sales, press, or support. In this case, it's press. So we have both of these set up to say, if you're selecting either of these, we're going to send that notification to you, to your department. And routing allows you to kind of build out those different workflows. We can set up multiple notifications. We'll do that in a second. But it's the flexibility here that is very important when you're sending out, really complex forms with lots of data. If there are things in that form that certain departments need to see or be notified of, this is where you would build it. So if we come down here to the message that goes out to these departments, remember, this is an internal notification. This is going to our organization. We've received a new sales lead or potential press candidate. And what are we sending? Well, in this case, we're just sending all the fields. We're just going to update this notification. And now we have that set up for those two departments. If we go back to notifications, click on Add New. We're going to call this one Support. Configure the routing and send to support@gravityforms.com. If the why you're contacting us is support, we'll say support message as the subject. And then we might say something like, hey, support, there's a new request from, and we would select a merge tag. Again, we could submit all the fields, but the point is, like with routing and sending to different departments, you're probably sending unique key information from that form. So I'm going to say there's a new request from email, and now I will do a space and add the comments, right? So again, very simple form that I have here, but if you had very unique data from the form to go to unique departments, this is where you would build that message right here. So it looks different than the last one that we set up, which was sales and press. It just had all the fields. This one is, we're saying, hey, support, there's a new request from this email address, and here's the comment that they made. And now it's up to support to do things with that email. And we update that notification. Take a look at notifications one more time. And now you can see we have our 2 different notifications set up. Perhaps I want to send one to the customer as well. I can set that up to use the email address that was entered into the form. I could send them a message and all of that fun stuff. So notifications and routing gives you a lot of flexibility inside of Gravity Forms. It's oftentimes not talked about enough, so I wanted to let you know about it today. You know what it pairs up well with? Gravity SMTP. Gravity SMTP allows you to send these emails spam-free, quickly, securely, and you have it right in your dashboard here. This is a demo site, so it doesn't have any information in it, but all of your email sending logs would be here, and it's going to connect up to third-party transactional email services, so you can get those important notifications for your customer, for your brand, for your organization. Check it out. If you're a developer license holder, elite license holder, or nonprofit license holder, you can get Gravity SMTP right in your dashboard. Download it, install it in all your WordPress sites running Gravity Forms. It's fantastic. Check it out at gravityforms.com. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, thumbs up. Want more? Subscribe. Leave a comment below. We're happy to help. See you in the next video.